Hello, fellow grade 8s. It's Mr. Chacha again. Now, what we are going to be looking at now, we are going to be looking at distribution law for multiplication, right? So now, firstly, I think by now, when you think of the word distributing, right, which means where everything gets the piece or the share of everything altogether. So it's basically when you take all the variables that you have and you make sure that you multiply everything, right? Or you take whatever value that you have outside the bracket, you make sure that each and every value or variable that is within that particular bracket does get that particular value, right? So now, for example, one thing that you need to also take note is that now, for example, let's say if you have 4, let's say 4 into a, right? This means that this is actually 4 multiplied by a altogether. And one thing that you also need to know about the distributing law is that now if you have 6 into, let's say, x plus your y, right? What does that mean? This simply means that this is same as 6 multiplied by x plus your y. Actually, to furtherly simplify this, this actually means that this 6 is multiplied here, and also this 6 is multiplied here altogether. So which means everything is going to be multiplied with it altogether. So now some of the few steps that we are going to follow when using this distributive law is that firstly, it is important that you apply your law of BODMAS, right? So you need to be in a position to apply BODMAS, right? So, and secondly, now you need to be in a position to distribute, and after distributing, then you multiply, right? So make sure that you also do that. And now after that, you are going to do what? You are going to group the like terms. So you are going to group your like terms, and after grouping like terms, you then go to simplify, right? So these are some of the key things, or these are some of the key rules that we are going to be focusing or to be using when doing the distributive law for multiplication, right? So now let's go straight to it. Now, let's say you are given that you have 6 into bracket x plus y, right? So which means this 6 is you're going to start by what? By distributing this 6, right? So you're going to start by these 3. You're going to start by distributing. What is it that you're going to do? You're going to say this is going to be 6 multiplied by what? This is going to be 6 multiplied by x, plus the other one is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as also 6 multiplied by y. And what is that? Now, what is that you're going to have? This is going to be 6x plus your 6y altogether. Then this is going to be your solution for your number 1. Now let's look at number 2. Let's say number 2 now you are given that you have 5 into a plus your 3. Now they want you to also use the distributive law, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to distribute. So you're going to make sure that everyone gets the piece of everyone, right? So this is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as 5 multiplied by a plus this is same as 3. 3 multiply, or rather 5 multiplied by 3. This is going to be 5 multiplied by 3. Let's write this nicely. So this is same as 5 also multiplied by 3, right? And what is going to be that? This is going to be same as 5a now, plus what is 5 multiplied by 3? This is going to be 15 altogether. So now this is how you're going to use the distributive law. Now let's look at example 3. Now in that example 3, let's say now you have negative into y subtract your 2. Now, what is it that you're going to do here? What is it that you can do? Now, to multiply this, you're going to distribute. So this is going to be same as negative 3 into y. Subtract your, this is going to be also negative 3 altogether. So this is going to be also your negative 3. Then remember this is subtract 3 already. So let's remove one negative here. So yes, this is going to be negative 3 into negative 2, right? So then now what is this? This is going to be same as now 3 negative 3y, because this is going to be negative 3 multiplied by y. And here, this negative multiplied by this negative is going to give you positive, and 3 multiplied by 2, this is going to give you your 6 altogether. So this is going to be your number 3 altogether. Now, I want us to look at number 4. Now, let's say you have number 4. Now, in number 4, let's say now you have 5 into A plus your C. Then the other one, let's say you have negative 2 into your A subtract B. Now, here also, what they are also saying, now you need to also use the distributive law to solve this, right? Now, what is it that you are going to do? This is going to be same as what? You're going to distribute this one, obviously, with this one. And also, these two are also going to be distributed, right? So what is it that you're going to have? Now, look, what you are going to have here, this is going to be 5 into A, plus this is going to be also 5 into your C. Subtract 2 into your A, and then also subtract 2 into your what? Into your negative B altogether. Now, this is what you're going to do. And now from here, what is it that you're going to do? Now you're going to multiply. This is going to be 5A plus your 5C. The other one is going to be minus 2A. The other one is going to be negative, and negative is going to be positive 2B altogether. Then now, do you have any like terms? Look, this is 5A. This is also negative 2A. So now you can also add these two, right? So this is going to be same as 3A. When you say 5 subtract 2, it gives you 3, right? So this is going to be 3A plus, let's say, your 2B plus your 2B plus your 5C altogether. I've just categorize this in alphabetical order altogether. So now you have finally solved this one, right? So now let's make some space here so that we do number 5 using the distributive law. Now, what is it that we can do in example 5? Now, look, what you're going to do, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to multiply. So this is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as x into 5y. Remember, you start with this one and that one. Then you follow with this one and also this one, right? So this is going to be x into 5y plus your x into 3. Subtract your y into 2. And subtract your y into negative 3x. Now it's okay. Now you have distributive. Now you have distributed. Now you can multiply. So when you multiply, this is going to be 5xy. Now when you multiply this, is going to be plus 3x. And then this other one is going to be minus 2y. This other one is going to be what? Plus, because this is negative and negative. So this is going to be plus your 3x, then y altogether. Now, and now from here, you're going to check, do you have any like terms? Yes. Now, if you can check this one, and you also check this one, look, they have x, y, they have xy. The exponent is 1, 1. The exponent is 1, 1, right? So this qualifies to be regarded as like terms. So therefore, you're going to add them. So this is going to be 8xy plus your 3x subtract your 2y altogether. Now you have solved for this particular problem.